Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, not only would I like to take you on a quick tour to the backyard to see the plants that we have been planting, and now this is an old video that we did about a couple of years ago when we were in Australia, but I also want to talk about what plants you can plant, either if you have a large space such as a backyard, or if you have a small apartment space, which we do have right now here in Finland. We have a small space inside the apartment, and we also plant in the balcony during spring and summer. Please focus on the medicinal plants, the plants that help to heal your body, the plants that you are able to not only harvest and dry for to use throughout the year and during the winter time, but plants that also help to, you can use them internally, you can use them externally as well, you can use them on your hair and on your skin. So what are some plants that you need to focus on? We have aloe vera, we have thyme and oregano as well, and these are fast growing plants. These are plants that you can grow endlessly in large amounts despite the area that you have. The more you harvest, the more they grow, and what these plants require is sunlight, and this is something that we've been suffering a lot from here in Finland, because there is very minimal sunlight during the year, and we only get about a month or so of pure sunlight during the summer and some minimal sunlight here and there during autumn and spring, but yet you can also use indoor LED lights to grow these plants. And what they need is they need a lot of sunlight, they need a lot of the water as well. Watering is important. Here we have aloe vera, we've got the arugula. Arugula is an important herb that you need to have, not only for salads and not only for cooking, but also for compresses, also for the hair as well. You can go ahead and juice the arugula and strain it and use it for the hair, combine it with olive oil, combine it with some crushed garlic that is strained as well. Amazing for hair loss, amazing with the digestive system as well. Mint, spearmint, parsley, cress, all these herbs help to maintain your overall health, and they are lovely herbs that add in positive energy to your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.